When we talk about the circular economy, we often focus on waste, but it's much bigger than that. Circularity is also a powerful lever for solving the two biggest environmental crises of our time: climate breakdown and biodiversity loss. Let's unpack how circular strategies help heal both. 1. The climate circularity connection. Climate change isn't just about energy, it's also about materials. According to the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, over 45% of global emissions come from how we make and use products, food, and land, not just from burning fossil fuels. That includes cement, plastics, steel, aluminum, textiles, agriculture. The circular economy helps cut these emissions by extending product life, reusing and refurbishing, using recycled materials, designing for fewer inputs, localizing supply chains, reducing demand overall. Circularity is climate strategy in material form. 2. Nature's systems are circular. Nature is the original circular economy. In forests, oceans, and soils, nothing is wasted. Every leaf becomes soil, every death feeds new life. But our linear systems break those loops, extracting, degrading, and dumping. That's why circularity isn't just compatible with biodiversity, it's essential. 3. Regenerating, not just reducing. Traditional sustainability focuses on doing less harm. Circularity asks, how can we do more good? That means farming practices that restore soil, materials that biodegrade safely, infrastructure that supports ecosystem services, economic systems that value nature's cycles. This is about moving from sustainable to regenerative. 4 examples of impact. Compostable packaging reduces plastic pollution and enriches soils. Reuse and repair models lower demand for raw material extraction. Agroecology and agroforestry combine circularity with carbon capture and habitat protection. Urban circular food systems shorten supply chains and reduce land use. These are not small tweaks, they're system shifts. 5. Circularity in the global goals. Circular strategies directly support SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, climate action. SDG 14 and 15, life below water and on land. They also help meet net zero targets and nature-positive commitments. The future of climate and biodiversity policy will be circular by design. 6. Risks and trade-offs. Circularity is not automatically green. Recycling can be energy-intensive. Bio-based materials still need land. Reuse models can shift burdens elsewhere. That's why life cycle thinking is essential to ensure circular strategies truly deliver for people and planet. 7. The big idea. Climate and biodiversity aren't two problems. They're symptoms of a broken material system. And circularity is a chance to rebuild that system, with nature as our guide. It connects carbon, culture, commerce, and conservation. It asks us not just to use less, but to live differently. So next time you hear circular economy, think bigger. Think carbon, think wildlife, think future. Because the loop doesn't just close waste. It opens the door to a thriving planet.